Hi, grade 5. It's math time, and today we are going to continue our lesson on solving word problems on fractions. Okay, so we will continue working on your homework. So I think we are already on um, letter D, problem D. Okay, so are you ready? Let's try to discuss this one. Okay, so one moment. All right, so there are 20 baseball bats in a showroom. Peter sold 1/4 of the baseball bats on the first day and 1/3 of the remaining baseball bats on the second day. Find the number of baseball bats remaining. Okay, so how many baseball bats are there? There are 20 baseball bats. All right. So 20 baseball bats. And on the first day, it says Peter sold 1/4 of the baseball bats. So that is 1/4 of 20. So when we say 1/4 of 20, it's 1/4 times 20. Okay, we are going to get the 1/4 of 20. So that is 20 over 4 because 1 times 20 is 20 and 4 times 1 is 4. So 20 over 4 is equal to 5. All right. So there are 5 bats that were sold on the first day. Now, let us continue reading. 1/3 of the remaining baseball bats. So what's remaining? Okay, on the second day. So if there are 20 bats, okay, if there are 20 bats minus 5 because this is was 5 were sold on the first day, what's remaining is 15 bats. Okay, so it says they're 1/3 of the remaining. So it should be 1/3, okay, of 15. So it's 15 over 3, right? 1/3 times 15 is 15 over 3. That is equal to 5. All right. So 5 on the first day and 5 on the second day. Now, find the number of baseball bats remaining. So if there are 5 and 5 that were sold, okay, how many bats remains? Okay, so there are 20 bats minus, okay, the ones that were sold, which is 5 bats and another 5 bats. So it's equal to 10. All right, so 20 minus 5, okay, minus 5 again. All right, that is 10. So there are 10 baseball bats remaining. Okay, I hope you get that. All right, so this one we have already tried before. Okay, now here's the one. Jimmy's recipe needs 3/4 cup of flour and 2 1/5 cups of whole wheat flour. How many cups of flour does he need in total for the recipe? Okay, so what are given? There are 3/4 cup of flour and 2 1/5 cups of whole wheat flour. All right. Now, what are we going to do? Okay. It says here how many cups of flour does he need in total. So we have to add. All right. So we add 3/4 plus 2 1/5. Okay, that is equal to, right? You can do this. 3/4 and 2 1/5. We have to get the uh, LCM of this one. because we have to add like fractions or same denominator. But since 4 and 5 are not the same, we have to make it the same denominator, right? Remember that? Okay, so we have 20. All right, you divide 20 by 4, you get 5. Multiply by 3, you have 15. Then 20 here, you divide this by 5, you have 4. Multiply by 1, you have, okay, this one first, you have to make it, you can do like this, you can make it as improper fractions, okay, which is 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1, that is 11 over 5. Okay, so that is 11 over 5. It's this one. Now, if you can make it, if you need to make it like fraction, you do this. All right, as what I've said, 20 over 4, 5 times 3, that's 15. And here, 20 divided by 5, you have 4, times 11, you have 44. Okay, that is equal to, okay, remember, if this is the same already, you can already add the numerator, which is 15 plus 44, you get 59. Okay, and then copy the denominator, which is 20. Now, if you are going to make this mixed number, it will be 2 and 19 over 2, right? Because you can divide 59 over 20. How, how many 20s are there? There are 2 with a remainder of 19 and then 20 here. Okay, another solution is this one, 3/4 plus 2 and 1/5. Okay, you can, even though you will not change it into improper fractions, okay, you can separate the whole number, which is 2. Okay, the whole number is 2 plus the sum of this one, 3/4 and 1/5, the sum of the fractions. So what are the fractions? 3/4 plus 1/5. Okay, let's get their greatest common factor, 20. Okay, and 20. All right, you divide this by 4, it becomes 5. Okay, times 3, 15. 20 divided by 5, that's 4, times 1, that's 4 over 20. All right, you can add now this one, it's 15 plus 4, that is 19, 19 here over 20. Add the whole number, then you will come up with 2 and 19 over 20. Of course, don't forget the label. What's this? Okay, it should be 2 and 19 over 20 cups of flour. Okay, is needed for the total, okay, for the recipe. All right, so that's all for today. I hope you have learned something. Okay, keep trying, keep practicing. Bye.